Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? I think you'll be fine. Students, in the previous video of English language, I explained synthesis and in this I explained formation of complex sentences. Complex sentence. Since I told you that there are in complex sentence there is a principal clause and other is subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. Since subordinate clause does the work in three ways. Subordinate clause begins from noun clause and verb clause and adjective clause. Okay, students, adjective clause. In the previous video, I told you the noun clause. Noun clause does the work in five ways: subject to a verb, object to a verb, case and preposition, and object to a preposition, and one is a complement to a verb. Okay, students, and case and preposition or to a noun. In five ways a noun clause does the work, and in the previous video I explained all the five ways of using a noun clause. Subject to a verb I have explained, object to the verb I have explained, and object to a preposition I have explained. Now the remaining is one next point is remaining, complement to a verb. I think this section is remaining, so I again explain you the function of noun clause. Complement noun clause, you can write noun clause does the work as complement to a verb. Okay, students, complement to a verb. So for this example, complement to a verb, like I give example here. One example here I write how does it work as a complement to a verb. You will not come in time. You will not come in time. Okay, students, this is one sentence, and other is that is the problem. That is the problem. Okay, students. Now these there are two sentences. First one is this, and other one is this. Now you have to join the sentences as complex sentence. Complex sentence. How will you join, and how we change a noun clause as complement to a verb? So you will not come in time, this is written, and other is written that that is the problem. So we make complement. There is complement. First of all, I tell you that the verb to be is am, are, was, were. These are verb to be, and these verbs are also known as complementary verbs, because these verbs need a complement to complete the sense of the sentences. So when we join the sentence, the problem is that you will not come in time. Students, this is a complex sentence. Okay. Now the problem is that how the verb does the noun clause does the work of complement. How the noun clause does the work of complement. So let's understand. Okay, students. And if you have any problem, so put your queries in WhatsApp. So problem is that there is verb. The question is that there is verb to be. Okay. So and the subject is this, the problem. And the complement of verb to be is the whole section that you will not come. That you will not come. In the previous video I have also told you that a noun clause begins from that, what, who, when. With these words a noun clause begins. So that you will not come. This is a noun clause. So the noun clause in this sentence does the work of complementary verb. Complement to a verb. Okay, students? I hope you have understand. You have understood. The next point is noun clause does the work as a case in a position of a noun, or case in a position to a noun. Fifth point is noun clause does the work as case in apposition to a noun. Okay, students? Case in apposition to a noun. So how does it work? Case in apposition to a noun. So first example, let I tell you. He has died today. Okay, students. This is a rumor. Okay, students, this is a rumor. This is rumor. R-U-M-O-U-R. Okay, students, this is a rumor. Now, case in apposition. What is case in apposition? A noun clause is just put beside other noun clause, other noun or pronoun. So, in this sentence, when we join the sentence as a complex sentence, we will make case in apposition. So, that he has died today. Okay, students, comma is a rumor. That he has died today, this is a noun clause and this is other part, okay, of the sentence. So we have used here noun clause as case in apposition to a noun is a rumor. So rumor is a noun. So we have used both noun clause as a case in apposition to a noun. So this is case and apposition. And students, you have to remember that when we use this way of noun clause, like case in apposition to a noun, so we should not forget to have a comma while using case and apposition, because case and apposition are used using noun or using a comma. So in this way you have to change the two sentences, two or more than two sentences into one complex sentence. Now students, I give you some examples which you have to solve in your copy and send me over in my WhatsApp. And students, in the next video I will teach you change of simple sentences into complex sentences using adjective clause. So first example is, you have to do, he is died, he is died, he is died, it is sad, it is sad. Second one is, he is right, he is right, I am sure of it. Third one is, it is clear you are guilty. It is clear you are guilty. Fourth one is, he may be successful. He may be successful. I do not know it. I do not know it. The thief escaped somehow. Escaped somehow. Nobody knows it. Nobody knows it. Where have you put my pen? My pen. Tell me. Tell me. Okay. You are a good man. You are a good man. Nobody can doubt it. Sama is angry. He would be. These are 8 sentences and you have to solve them into complex sentence. Change into complex sentence and send them in my personal WhatsApp. Okay students, in the next video I explain you change of simple sentences into complex sentences using adjective clause. Thank you students, have a nice day.